Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Odoo. Alright, let's begin. First, go to odoo.com, click on your profile in the top right corner and select My Databases. Click on the settings icon, then go to Domain Names. Here you can connect your own domain. Next, log into your GoDaddy account, click on your profile icon and go to My Products. Find your domain and click on it. Copy the domain name, go back to Odoo and enter www. Followed by your domain name. Now you need to add a CNAME record. In GoDaddy, go to DNS Management, click Add New Record, and select CNAME. In the name field, enter www. For the value, go back to Odoo and copy the database URL provided. Paste it into the value field and click Save. If you get an error, check if an existing CNAME record conflicts with the new one, delete the old record, and try again. Next, set up domain forwarding. In GoDaddy, go to Forwarding. Enter your domain and set it to forward to www followed by your domain name. Choose Permanent 301 and click Save. Back in Odoo, click Verify. If everything is correct, Odoo will confirm the DNS configuration. SSL certificate generation may take up to 5 hours, so be patient. So that's basically how you can connect GoDaddy domain to Odoo. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.